Hello everyone, I'm Derek from A Better Life Now, and today I'm doing a quick video to talk to you all about Java Burn. Java Burn is becoming very popular in the market, but not so many people know about it. So I decided to make this video to share everything you need to know about this supplement. Stay with me until the end, as I'll be sharing important information you should know before purchasing Java Burn. But before we dive in, make sure you check out the official website linked in the description below for even more information, reviews, and of course, the real product. First and foremost, it's crucial to know where to buy Java Burn. Java Burn is only sold on its official website, so if you see it anywhere else online, be cautious. To ensure you get the original Java Burn, you can only purchase it from the official website. Now the big question, what is Java Burn? Java Burn is a supplement designed to help you lose weight in a natural and healthy manner. You need to mix Java Burn into a cup of coffee to activate it. For all the coffee lovers out there, this one's for you. Java Burn is made of natural ingredients, including herbs, minerals, and vitamins, all working together to help you burn calories. It can even help you burn off stubborn fat that often remains despite hours at the gym. Java Burn is also designed to rev up your metabolism, boost your energy levels, and help your body torch fat. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants, which are fantastic for your overall well-being. To use Java Burn, simply mix a packet into a cup of coffee. It's really that simple. I recommend taking it in the morning, as it will give you energy and disposition throughout the day. You're losing weight by drinking coffee, and don't worry, it's tasteless, so it won't affect your coffee's flavor. With Java Burn, you can enjoy your cup of coffee with peace of mind that it's good for you. For the best results, they recommend incorporating Java Burn into your daily coffee routine. It's super easy and an amazing way to jumpstart your day. Here's the kicker, Java Burn caters to everyone, regardless of your gender. Whether you're aiming to shed a few pounds or just need an extra pick-me-up throughout the day, Java Burn's got your back. But here's the real deal. Consistency is key to reaping the full benefits of Java Burn. If you're serious about hitting your weight loss goals, you have to make Java Burn a part of your daily routine. According to the folks behind Java Burn, sticking with it will yield impressive results sooner than you might expect. So stay committed, and Java Burn will be a real game changer on your journey to a healthier you. On the official website, you can check out people's feedback and see how well Java Burn is working for them. You can read their experience and see a full list of their natural ingredients. Java Burn also comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you start taking it and don't like it or can't adapt to it, you can ask for a refund. The support team will help you get all your money back without any questions. Just a reminder, this is a natural treatment, so you need to be consistent. Take it every single day and achieve the desired results. Whether you're on a 3-month or a 6-month treatment, consistency is key. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and will subscribe for more content in the future. And always remember, life's a gift, and I'll see you on the next one.